Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the clip you will change. Select it in the timeline so tools act on that region. Once selected, open the audio inspector to see current pitch and speed settings, because changing pitch often affects timing. Make sure you have audio skimming on and headphones ready to hear subtle shifts. Now, create a duplicate backup audio layer or compound clip. This prevents accidental loss and lets you compare before and after. Once done, drag the pitch shifter effect onto your selected clip or choose pitch in the audio inspector. This gives you semitone and scent control. Raise or lower in small increments. Try 0. 5 to 2 semitones first, while playing back to gauge naturalness. Make sure to toggle formant preservation. It prevents the voice from sounding chipmunk or sluggish by keeping timbre intact. If timing shifts, switch on preserve duration, or adjust clip speed slightly to resync visuals. To finish, fine-tune wet/dry mix and nudge sense for precise pitch. Small changes often sound best. Render the section so playback is smooth, and then listen on headphones and speakers to confirm the result. Make sure to bypass the effect and a /B compare to the original. If you hear zippering or metallic artifacts, reduce the shift amount or enable higher quality processing. Alternatively, use a dedicated third-party pitch plugin that preserves audio fidelity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.